This video covers the models listed here. Although the power box and door may look slightly different on your machine, the process is the same. When removing or installing the coin mechanism, turn the machine off. Then slide the coin mechanism out of the machine on the rails. Then undo the P-clamp holding the MDB harness. You will need an 11/32" nut runner or deep well socket. Then disconnect the MDB harness. There may be zip ties to undo as well. Push the lever on the left to remove the discriminator portion from the coin mechanism. You can then remove the coin mechanism from the panel with a Phillips head screwdriver. Simply loosen the screws and the coin mech will lift off the screws. You can reattach the coin mechanism to the panel with the 3 screws. Finally, place the discriminator portion into the coin mechanism. You can then clip the MDB harness and push the coin mechanism back in along the rails. Be sure to connect the P-clamp and secure all harnesses, then power the machine back on. For more assistance, call VenNet Technical Support at 1-800-833-4411.